Hello everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Wearable Wednesday. I started doing this a few months ago, or maybe a month ago. I can't remember when I started it. I'll have to go back and look. But I joined in with Jess from jhookmagic and Heather from Strings and Threads. And Heather started it just showing you what she made on Wednesdays and called it Wearable Wednesdays. And we've all three are doing this so that we can brush up um, on our I can't think of the word I was going to use. Uh, we can just get better at making wearables. There, I'll just say it that way. We just want to improve on our abilities to make wearables and learn new stitches, learn new techniques, and just learn about wearables and how to make them fit our bodies and just get better at it. So I joined in too because I wanted to do the same thing. And so I'm working on a pattern by Crystal from Hook That Yarn. And she has a super simple pattern for doing a top down top. And it's all about measurements and she makes it super easy. The pattern is written super easy to be able to adjust to your body type. So anybody can use this pattern and make a top and it will fit them. This top is fitting me perfectly and I love it. So I'm at the point where now I have put it together and made the holes for the sleeves, and now I'm just working on the entire body of the entire body from the sleeves down of the shirt, of the top. And I decided to introduce a new stitch and new color into it, and I found this stitch on Pinterest. It's called let me scroll down. It's called the piggyback stitch, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? So I'm using to do this stitch, let me see here. Let me get I'm using a Ferris wheel by Lion Brand. It is a four medium weight yarn, and it's in the colorway of Wild Violets, and this is the colorway that I'm using. And I'm using a 4.5 millimeter hook to do that. It is a 3-ounce cake, 270 yards, 247 meters, 85 grams, and it is 100% acrylic, okay? But it is so soft, and I love it, and this is what it's looking like so far. Let me go ahead and slip it on, and I'll show you. The pink, the top part of the pink was the Whims. I've showed this before in the other videos, but it is the Whims Merino that I'm using for the top part of the shirt. And here it is so far. Let me get this on and pull it down to the back and get it right. But this is it. And look at this. This is the start. I've just done a little bit. I didn't get to do very much crocheting on, I didn't get to crochet very much on my trip to Ohio. So I didn't get very far with this, but it's okay. I was spending family time. But I wanted to show you what this looks like at the bottom. Let me bring this a little bit closer so you can see. But here's the stitch so far of that piggyback, of the piggyback stitch. I think this is turning out really pretty. The back has some brown introduced to it, so I like the way the color is changing on it. Let me move this back a little bit. Sorry for the wiggles. And I'll stand up and show you. Well, I may not have to stand up. Yeah, I'm going to have to stand up. So you can see. You're not going to see my face, but you can see. Sorry about my t-shirt. But it's kind of hitting right here. And look how this is fitting, guys. Usually I've made tops before and they are just like out to here and just blip, and it doesn't fit well. But this is going to fit me perfectly. But I love this stitch, and it was the piggyback stitch, crochet piggyback stitch. And I think it's called that because you have a shell here and then the next shell kind of offsets from it, so they're kind of piggybacking each other. So, but that is what it looks like so far, and I'm really loving it. And again, this is a super simple pattern. I will have Crystal's tutorial linked in the description box. There is a place on the tutorial where you can click and print that pattern off. I have it somewhere, but anyway, you're able to print off all the directions and just have them to make your notes on and whatever. But this is super adaptable to, I think what I get when I get the body done and the length I want it, I'm going to go back and add stitches to the sleeves and make them a little bit longer, not too much longer, but a little bit longer. And this is so adaptable. You could adapt this to, the opening up here is depending on how many stitches you make your chain. So it's super adaptable to, you could do this for children. Probably make little babies atop with this idea. Children all the way through adults to any size. So thank you, Crystal, for such an amazing pattern. And I'm hoping to have the body of this done by next Wednesday, so you'll get to see the full length of it, and I'll be starting on the sleeves. So just wanted to come and share with you my Wearable Wednesday and what I've got so far, and I really love it, Crystal. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Things We're Making Thursday. Hope you have a wonderful Wednesday. I love you guys lots, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.